Yep.
Give them a variety.
Yeah. A little buffet action. I'm all good. I put some on the cabin.
Okay.
Thank you, though. Yep. I'm on.
Got him?
Feels a little bit better. Oh, I might need the net for this one. Yeah, I think get the net. Yep, get the net.
Is that lunch?
Could be.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Come on, buddy.
Oh.
Come on.
Yeah,
Sweet.
Yeah. That's a good one. That's a nice one. That might be
too big.
That teen. Nice one. That kid.
First big and first eater of the trip.
You might have to catch mine too.
Comma 2. Yep, we're on.
You got another one?
Yeah.
Dog.
He doesn't feel that. Oh, I might need a net here.
Okay. You don't call me Uncle Net for no reason.
Yeah, that's another good one.
Yes, it is. That a boy.
Yeah.
That a boy.
Come on, these are good eaters here. All right, hand me that. Throw up on them rocks there. That's where they're at.
Where are you throwing?
Just right. You see that rock just a little bit in front of it and to the left. There. Second eater of the day.
Well, they don't seem to care if they're white or purple or...
They don't discriminate out here. Oh man, he hammered that. Oh, I might need a net job here. Oh, he feels pretty good. Come on, buddy. Don't go under the boat. Come on, come on. Not a bad one. Yes, sir. Man, these are all good eaters that I'm catching here.
Yes, they are. It's a smorgasbord.
Yeah. Snaggy. Really? You might be going through and I'm going through. Oh, what the?
Oh, nice. You had fish the whole time.
Shoot. Didn't even know I was fighting him. It's a good fish too.
Nice. Stuff.
I'll take it, bro. There's a big old leech swimming over here. Yep.
Tell me if you need the net, okay?
Okay. Not for this one. Not too bad.
Big eater guy. Man, this is another pig. GetPigs.com. Is that the same one?
Wonder what he's doing right now. Probably his mac and Thai cheese.
I don't know, man. That guy.
What a guy.
Yes. Little hot spot right here. Walleye daycare though for us. Or for me. Yeah, that's what Kipper's got an eater for us.
Not this
Uncle
one.
Kevin's getting them. Look at that.
Yeah. Oh, did I just get another bite from the smallest fish in the lake? Perhaps. Either that or a coffee cup, we'll never know. Another northern dude. Oh, that's a fish. What? I could use a net probably, Craig. This feels like a northern. Oh yeah. Oh really?
Over here.
Come on. Nice. That sucker was running on me. Thank you.
Another good eater, buddy.
Could be. No, that's all right.
What do you got for the? Uh-oh. Walleye? Another northern? Gosh darn it.
Oh
We might be in trouble.
boy.
I kind of forget the water was up a little more last year.
Fishy.
Hey, we got walleye.
There are confirmed walleye in this lake. He got bit off over there. That was definitely a northern then. Where are they going?
I didn't know. They ain't real thick here, Dad. Couple northern. Kemp's got a walleye, but
Tiny guy.
walleye deck.
Unless he grows.
Ain't bad. Net?
Yeah. Probably a northern here. Oh, it's a walleye. Oh yeah.
Attaboy.
There we go.
Good fish.
Thanks.
Good fish.
Might be an Ed Teen right there.
Might be a good eater.
He slammed that.
It's an 18.
Man, these walleye have been hitting hard this year. I think I might be the only one experiencing that too. The hook set of doom. He hit me.
I got hooked up again.
Over the top.
There you go, Cam.
Oh, you missed him, Cole.
Yeah, you got him?
Yeah.
Here, let me catch one, Joe. Oh, you're about to catch one line.
Andy, I might need a net job here.
Don't reel.
I got him.
One of them took it. One of them got yours.
Oh yeah, right in the boat, right in the boat. Oh, this feels pretty good actually. Andy, get the net, get the net, get the net. Get the net. Oh, come on. Yes,
Oh, yeah.
dude.
Dude,
That's a toad. That is a toad, bro.
Cameron just caught a nice one.
Might be a 19, maybe a 20. Here, just put him right there. Oh, that's a long fish, dude.
He's nice and big, too.
Hey, if you got an emergency, you call that number. I don't know how you're going to call them, but
Good to know.
in the 50s. That's what Ryan said. I can't believe one beaver built this whole dam.
How's that?
Huh?
How's that?
Awesome.
First cast, no way. Man, is that 2 slabs back to back?
Joey's got. Look at Joey's got.
There you go.
Oh, you see that?
No hogging, Joe.
Joey had a hog, but it got off right for you.
Oh, that looks like a good one. Keep it, Rich. Nice fish.
Perfect. The smart one.
No, go ahead. No, I'm just taking video.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Gosh, they feel like they're hard.
That is a good one. Holy cow. That's an 18 right there, probably.
Yeah, black one. Like they're darker. This would be a leg. That snake would be good bait. Get up on the boat again. Kind of where the